Hey, I'm Casey Serafino-Lee and welcome to my channel. This is all about all things real estate in the San Francisco East Bay. First of all, I have to tell you that I may not be everyone's real estate agent. If you feel like you have to have an agent that is dressed to the nines all the time, I may not be the agent for you. If you don't like pets, I might not be the agent for you. If you feel that you need an agent that is super poised all the time, I may not be the agent for you. If you need an agent that is just strictly professional and only talks real estate with you, doesn't like to have fun and do business, again, not necessarily at the same time, well, I may not be the agent for you. Hey folks, I realize that not everyone is gonna like me, and you know what? That's okay. I really only wanna work with people who wanna work with me. I want to love my job, and I want you to love where you live. On this channel, you'll be learning about moving to the San Francisco East Bay, its cities and its neighborhoods, and all the things that there are to do here. You'll also learn about selling your house faster and for more money, because seriously, isn't that what we all want when we're selling? Feel free, take a look around my channel and then go to my website. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me by calling, texting, or emailing my team. Oh, and bonus points for carrier pigeons. You guys know how I like animals. So know this, I am never too busy to talk to you, and no question is a stupid question. See you on the next one. Come here.